Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anne. Today I'm gonna show you a last minute Halloween makeup and hair tutorial. It's super easy. The look I'm going to create is broken doll. For the hair, I decided to do a 2-strand ponytail. To create this look, I like to leave some hair out, especially the hair close to the hairline. It's all personal preference. First, I use a rubber band to make a ponytail on each side. And before braiding it, I like to use some hair wax and apply it all over the hair to keep the hair in place and easier to braid. Then I divide the hair into 2 equal strands and then start twisting. I twist in the same direction and then wrap in the opposite direction. Only in this way, in the end, the strand won't come loose and fall apart. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. To make sure the products apply all over the hair, you can use the comb to comb the hair before braiding. Tie the end with a rubber band. Since I want to keep the ponytail up, I'm gonna use a hair dryer and put it on the highest heat and then just blow dry from the bottom of the hair for 2 minutes. It will help your ponytail stay in shape longer. And for foundation, I use Born This Way Swan color. The shade is pretty light. And also try to conceal the lip color a little bit too. I also use a highlighter to highlight the under eye area to keep the feature more pronounced. And then set it with a translucent powder. For the eyeshadow base, I use NYX. The color is white, which will help make the eye more pronounced. And then I use an eyebrow pencil to draw a fake crease to make the eye look bigger and rounder, more like a baby doll eyes. And then use a black eyeshadow color to set it. There's so many ways to draw broken glasses. Since I literally cannot draw, I pick the easiest one as possible. One thing to keep in mind is that when you draw shattered glasses, try to make the line more connected The center should be more like a circle. To create a shadow and make it more realistic, I use some white eyeliners next to the black eyeliner. Baby dolls always have red blushes, so I try to make the blushes as big, as round as possible. And that's about it. The whole thing takes less than 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure you can do a better job than I am, since I literally cannot draw. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I will see you next time.